Welcome to another how-to video. Today we're going to focus on CAD integrations and the integration with Altium Designer. So I recommend that you go to uh, the documentation and install the add-in so you can jump into documentation from OpenBOM, find integrations, and then look for the Altium Designer. From here, you can request access, and this will send an email to support, and they will have access to the Altium add-in for Altium. So once you receive that add-in and install it, you should be able to see it in your extensions inside Altium. So you will see that you will have the OpenBOM extractor add-in and your list of add-ins. So it should be also part of your installation. And you can check if it is available if you open an Altium document like a schematic or a PCB, and then you can check if the OpenBOM menus are available. Okay, there are several options that you can configure. So one is going into settings and configure the Altium Designer add-in options. It does sent to the Altium catalog by default. You can change it to a different catalog. So Altium items, you can change it to a different one. Recommend unticking the option to use Altium bill of materials settings. Otherwise, you will be using uh, the properties from a bill of materials document in Altium, so like a BOM doc. So this will be the properties to send to OpenBOM. If you want to configure different properties, let me just show you some examples here where we can have access to different functions. So you can configure which uh, fields you want to send to OpenBOM by creating a new property list. You can add a new one. Already created one, so you can configure from Altium, which parameters you want to send to OpenBOM. So this is configurable. You can also select which parameter is going to be used as part number. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to choose the property part number. So you can choose the one that makes sense. Could be also library reference. Depends on your configuration. Could be also library reference. So you have done that, you can generate bill of materials directly from Altium. So you can either generate a bill of materials like a single document. So you can go and generate a bill of material, create update bill of material. So this will create a bill of material for that individual document there. If you have like a nested documents with grouped documents together, and you send for the complete list, this will create a bill of material for the entire set of schematics. So this will be a result just to get that bill of material out of into OpenBOM. So and notice that the reference designators are automatically extracted. Um, so other possibilities is get the full uh, bill of material out, so that will generate the bill of material for all that documents. And notice that the part number will be the document name, so that will be the part number you are generating. A bit more how to control the part number field to get outputted into a bill of material. I'll show that in a moment. That would be using variants in Altium. So I'll show that in a moment. So this is just creating the bill material for the entire board and creating a bond from all the schematics. Create a single level bill material. It doesn't create any sort of a sub bill materials or levels. It's a flat bill material with all all items. So if you notice, this one will have all the components from all schematics into uh, bill of material with the reference designators and thumbnails being populated. Another option will be through a variant. So you can go into variants. So you would have a PCB document, and you would have already a set of variants available. So in this case, you will go into variants. So you can add a new variant to your design. So and from this one, so you can add a new variant, and in this one you can add a parameter called part number. With the part number you wanna add, so and control, for example, and once and you have selected the new variant, so it's going to save that new variant. After that variant is enabled, so you can enable it by double clicking. So it is enabled. And if you now generate the PCB again, so this will pick up that part number as the board part number. So that would be another option to create a bill of material with the different part numbers, just having control about the part number that you're going to create. Okay, so it's going to take a few moments just to generate, and it should be completed in a couple of seconds. So there we go. We have that the output generated from that PCB with all the components with that part number that I've just created there in the variant parameters. So adding the part number. There's an easy way to control that, and you have a full bill of material from Altium. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.